Understanding long wearing, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, long wearing. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, especially in fashion and product descriptions. Understanding it can really help non-native English speakers grasp the nuances of English. Let's get started. Long wearing is an adjective that describes something that lasts for a long time without wearing out or losing its effectiveness. It's often used to describe products like cosmetics, clothes, and accessories that maintain their quality over time. For instance, a long-wearing lipstick would be one that stays on the lips for many hours without fading. 1. Cosmetics. In beauty products, long-wearing signifies durability and resistance to fading, smudging, or coming off. E.g., this long-wearing foundation stays intact all day. 2. Clothing. Here, it denotes durability and the ability to withstand wear and tear. E.g., these long-wearing jeans are perfect for outdoor activities. 3. Technology and gadgets. Sometimes used to describe the longevity of a product's usefulness or battery life. E.g., this long-wearing smartphone battery lasts for 2 days. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Similar phrases include durable, long-lasting, hard-wearing, sturdy. Don't confuse long-wearing with long-lasting. While they can be synonyms, long-lasting is broader and can apply to non-physical attributes, like memories or effects. Remember, long-wearing is specific to the endurance of a product's quality over time. That's all about long-wearing. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. See you in the next video.